Welcome to Conversios. Let's see how we can quickly set up Conversios Google Analytics 4 app within your Shopify store. Once you install the app, you will see this screen wherein you have to click on Start Your Setup Now button and you will be redirected to App Settings page wherein we have to start with Google Authentication. So let's click on Sign In with Google button wherein we have to use our email address, add the password, and we have to make sure that we enable all the checkboxes for better tracking. Once we are done with the Google authentication, we see that email address here on top corner. Now here if you see in Google Tag Manager we have two options, default Conversios container and use your own GTM container. This is the feature which is available in the premium version of the app, similarly with Google Analytics 4. So for the purchase event tracking, it should be a premium version. Let's move ahead with Google Analytics 4. So click on this drop down, select account ID, measurement ID, and click on Save and Next button. Next is we have to enable the blocks. So let's click on Activate Blocks Now button. So here if you see, these are the two blocks that we have to enable. So let's quickly enable it. And we see a save option here on the top right corner. So let's save and it's done. We can close this tab now. Enable this checkbox to move further with the next app setup page. Click on Save and Next. This is the plan page wherein we see there are three plans available. Free plan wherein till add to cart event tracking is available, and for the purchase event tracking I recommend to go ahead with either monthly plan or yearly plan. So let's go ahead with monthly plan wherein all the tracking is available from start to end. Approve the charges. Now the last step in app setting is we have to enable checkout purchase events. So we copy the code. We see that the code is copied. Click on Settings Customer Events. You will see another tab opened here. Here we have to add custom pixel. Let's add in some name. Paste the whole code that we have copied in the last step. Click on Save button and connect. This is done here. Now we can close this tab as well. Enable this checkbox and click on Finish Setup. Congratulations, your app setting is complete. Now if you want to go ahead with report exploration, click on Explore Reports button. You see there are three reports available: GA4 Standard Report, GA4 Real-Time Report, and GA4 eCommerce Report. Let's quickly see what options are available with the premium version. So here if you see, use your own GTM container is available. Let's click here. Now you can select your own GTM account ID and container ID as well. Select the account ID, container ID, and as we have made changes with the GTM container, we have to change the code as well that we have pasted in the checkout purchase event. So what we need to do, we just need to copy the code, save this, click on Settings Customer Events, and we have to click on the same pixel that we have created. So this is the one, and we have to paste the updated code, hit save, and it's done. We can close this tab now. Congratulations, your app setting is done with the purchase event. If you have any questions, any queries, or any concerns, you can always reach out to us at info@conversios.io. Thank you for watching.